I've been asked by subscribers how noisy are the containers in the rain and how much difference does the sunroof and the insulation make. We had a rainstorm recently, so I recorded the sounds and so you can hear the difference. Rain noise is very unobtrusive in the living container, and when I see it I smile because it's filling my water tanks. Well, I'm tucked up in bed and we've got a fabulous rainstorm going on, so I've got the cargo doors wide open. You can see just back there. It's absolutely lovely because we're half indoors and half outdoors. Really refreshing. Sleep well. Press subscribe to follow more of our adventures, and please press the like button if you enjoyed this video. It helps the channel. For more information about the ebooks, please visit my website at buildshippingcontainerhouse.com.